Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a King's Jubilee. So the King's Jubilee is credited to Harry Craddock. It's one of his creation. It's a very simple 3-ingredient cocktail. He was the head bartender at the American bar at the Savoy Hotel in London. So I'm going to get straight into it. 60 ml of your choice of white rum, 2 ounces. This is somewhat of a rum variation on a aviation, except without the violet. So it doesn't really make it a variation on that at all. Anyways, it's kind of close. It's got the rum maraschino and the citrus. 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml of your maraschino liqueur. I'm using Luxardo. I'll also link to the Takumi's Aviation, which is up here. Well worth checking out if you're an aviation fan. Then we've only got 15 ml, half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add ice and give it a shake. Straight into a chilled glass. And if you were to garnish, a twist of lemon. My lemons are looking pretty manky right now, so I'm going to leave it ungarnished. Cheers. Now there is 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils of that maraschino liqueur, so it is very prominent. It's just maraschino, cherry, and citrus. It's a delicious drink. 3 ingredients, super simple, so definitely one you should add to your repertoire and give it a try. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the link in the description below for my app, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.